even though I registered for the IELTS exams. Can you tell me what's missing in this sentence? Yes, a subject, and it's a good example of a sentence fragment. A sentence fragment is a group of words that look like a complete sentence, but it's missing something essential, usually a subject, verb, or a complete thought. Take this sentence for example. Even though she read for months. It doesn't even sound like a sentence because it's a dependent clause. A dependent clause is a sentence or group of words that has a subject or verb but can't stand alone as a complete sentence because it doesn't express a full thought. The second thing to note is that it starts with a subordinating conjunction, even though, which hints that more information should have come before or after to complete the ideas. Always remember that a complete sentence must always tell a full story. So let's fix this sentence. Even though the students worked hard, they failed to meet the deadline. Now, this makes more sense because it's a complete thought. Let's talk about a few common reasons sentence fragments happen. 1. Switching sentence structures. When you do this, sometimes you omit the verb. For example, mo pe, tired from the long day. This sentence is missing exactly what mo pe did. Mo pe, tired from the long day, is sitting quietly in a chair. Now, that's a complete sentence. Another reason is adding transitions or dependent clauses like because or although, but not completing the thoughts. For example, because I needed more time. This statement leaves the examiner hanging. Instead, finish the thought. Because I needed more time, I asked for an extension. The last reason is simply lack of planning. You're in a timed exam, you're pouring out ideas, and some of them are sentence fragments. That's normal, but it's also fixable. A good strategy is to leave 5 minutes to the end of your test to scan through your writing. Ask yourself, does each sentence have a subject, verb, and does it pass a complete idea? Here's something you can try today. Go back to one of your old writings, work emails, or LinkedIn posts and highlight any sentence that can't stand alone. Rewrite them and you'll be surprised at how much polished and confident your writing will sound. In the next episode, we'll look at the flip side of sentence fragments. Subscribe for more smart tips to master exam strategies and boost your writing skills.